Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check obscurity on Spotify. Firstly guys, what you need to do is just simply go out from your Spotify and go to your browser and here type for Spotify obscurity. Right after that you need to click on the first site and here you need to log in with Spotify. Go log in and then you'll need to fulfill all your information to get login into your Spotify account. Right after that, now you're on the main page and you need just to scroll down and here are your top genres, but you need also to scroll this one and here guys you can see your obscurity rating. As you can see in this side, here it is, my level is 36% and your music is more obscure than 36% of this section. Now guys, also the description says that you have a few unknown artists, but mostly keep in touch with what's popular. Now guys, you know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share the video. See you soon guys.